Welcome to our latest listing. This is the Pershing 7X NIKI. This motor yacht, designed by Pershing in Italy, is a very unique combination of design, performance, all put together with what Pershing call emotion of the water to create the 7X light speed. And it's called the light speed because this is the fastest Pershing they make. This specific model can get in excess of 50 knots, which is pretty much unheard of across any 70-foot motor yacht. As you can see here, we're in a very familiar spot, the cockpit area, which is used for dining or for lounging in, half in shade, bunny pads in the sunshine. They really work hard to combine this level of luxury with a very unique performance vessel. Some would even go as far to say that this is the equivalent of Ferrari on the water. It is that level of performance. As you'd expect from a boat that is majority carbon fiber to keep the weight down, the 70-foot is just under 50 gross tons, okay? Now, from the saloon area, what makes this vessel really unique is that despite her performance, her lines, some of them very akin to that of like a fighter jet, you've got some of your usual luxuries that you find on a motor yacht this side, including indoor dining area with expandable table. You have your TV, you've got JL audio surround sound, you've got sunroofs which open up in the saloon, creating a huge, vast amount of natural light in this area. For Miami and for having a large group of people inside, she accommodates that desire, that need for an indoor-outdoor area by having a completely removable partition here, meaning that this whole deck, whether you're inside or outside, is all on one seamless level, okay? This elevates to become a dining area, and you have here carbon fiber wings to assist with the aerodynamics, but also to protect the guests whilst dining from some of the elements. You have here a barbecue, which has never been used. And if you come up the side here, you'd expect this to be narrow. And the boat, despite being quite narrow, still gives you plenty of space on the gunnels for accessing the forward bow area. I've got a very deep invested interest in this vessel since I used to captain Pershing 70s previously in my career, and I love every aspect of them. There is nothing more eye-grabbing on the water than seeing the metallic silver sinister lines of a Pershing gliding across with the rooster tail, which can stretch well over 70 foot long, 20 feet high. Up here on the bow, your guests can enjoy forward-facing seating with back supports or completely fully reclined sunbeds. This area has been fully designed to be utilized and enjoyed by customers, proving that the boat, despite being a performance, is also for luxury and true enjoyment. And I think they've achieved their goal very, very well. This is quite the display that any Pershing puts on. Just had boats stop to film us as we go past. This is the rooster tail that you want. This is a 2024 with under 250 hours. This is the newest Pershing 7X on the market. If you like heads and eyes being on you and time is money, then a Pershing 7X is the one for you. Here we are, we're still under speed. The boat is doing 40 knots. And you can tell right now by the microphone, by our situation, that it is still very, very calm and a place that you can relax. It isn't as turbulent inside at all. It is very calm and you can still relax, talk with your friends, work colleagues, enjoy a drink whilst you are underway. The Pershing 7X is the best way to get you from A to B as quickly as possible. To get to places like the Bahamas, I myself have managed to get from Nassau to Miami Beach in 3 hours and 45 minutes on a Pershing 70. And that just isn't possible on any other vessel. That is what really separates this boat from any others. I'm Rupert Covell with 26 North Yachts. Reach out if you want more information about Motor Yacht NIKI.